Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for Song of the Year as performed by Abra Morgayuman. Jonalyn Miray for Help Me Get Over. For Ikaw Pala. Basilio for Lord Patawan. Rock 9 for Banda. And Besara Jeronimo for Ikot Ikot. Goes to Help Me Get Over, Jonalyn Miray, words and music, Tata Petita, Creative Media and Entertainment. To present the award from the PMPC is John Fontanilla.
Una-una po sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa Panginoon for this award at sa PMPC, maraming salamat po for this recognition. Sa Creative Media Entertainment, to Miss Arlene Meyer, maraming salamat sa tiwala. And of course, to the songwriter of Help Me Get Over, Mr. Tata Petita, maraming salamat sa tiwala. Salamat din po sa aking management, GMA Artist Center, and of course, sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa akin na Zonatics. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. God bless.